We introduce Spatial Chef. We aim to create a VR game where players can directly manipulate the virtual space. Our game allows players to transform the space through actions similar to the chef. We aim to design a VR game that manipulates space to break away from traditional object interaction. In preparation phase, as the players choose materials and music for the room, their attention is smoothly shifted from the object to the space. In cooking phase, players manipulate the virtual environment with full-body gestures. In serving phase, this reinforces the fun of space interaction by recapping the player's movement with a recipe and showing a transformed space miniature. Finally, we propose a spatial transforming VR game with full-body interaction. This shows that a space that's used to play a passive role in VR games can potentially become an attractive medium for direct interaction and audio-visual feedback. Thank you for listening.